What is the universe? Do you think about it? Maybe you do. Do you think how big it is? Of course you do, and everyone does, like scientists, and all other normal individuals. Did you ever think what is the similarity between the human brain and the universe? Before that, we need to understand what the definition of the universe is, and what is the definition of the human brain. What is the universe? The universe is all of space and time and their contents, including planets, stars, galaxies, and all other forms of matter and energy. The Big Bang theory is the prevailing cosmological description of the development of the universe. What is the definition of the human brain? The human brain is the command center for the human nervous system. It receives signals from the body's sensory organs and outputs information to the muscles. The human brain has the same basic structure as other mammal brains but is larger in relation to body size than any other brains. Now one more thing we need to understand: what are neurons? Neurons, also called neurons or nerve cells, are the fundamental units of the brain and nervous system, the cells responsible for receiving sensory input from the external world, for sending motor commands to our muscles, and for transforming and relaying the electrical signals at every step in between. So if we compare an image of a neuron and an image of the universe or star galaxy, you can find easily the structural similarities. So now if talks about structure, there are millions of galaxies exist in our universe. If we count our brain a universe, it's have millions of neurons. It could look like a philosophical theory, but it is not. Allow me to give you one more example. When you touch a hot surface you just put of your hands. Do you know why? Because of neurons and electrical impulses. When you touch something hot, these neurons release an electrical message to your brain, to put your hand off from that hot surface. Now you might be thinking, what is a similarity between this information to the universe? Allow me to tell you. A cosmic jet 2 billion light-years away is carrying the highest electric current ever seen, 1018 amps, equivalent to 1 trillion bolts of lightning. So much electrical energy, right? Now if there is a way to count our brain's neurons' electrical energy, it might be bigger than this one. Think about it. I know this theory is pretty poetical. Now let me give you a more practical example. What do you know about the structure of an atom? And what do you know about the structure of our galaxy and our solar system? Let's see. An atom, smallest unit into which matter can be divided without the release of electrically charged particles. It also is the smallest unit of matter that has the characteristic properties of a chemical element. As such, the atom is the basic building block of chemistry. Galaxy. A galaxy is a gravitationally bound system of stars, stellar remnants, interstellar gas, dust, and dark matter. The word galaxy is derived from the Greek galaxias. Now let's compare the images of both an atom and a galaxy's solar system. Now see the image of our solar system. In middle we have our sun, and each of every orbit has some planets. Don't you think this system is very similar to something? Yes, you thought right. About an atom, if you look at an atom's structure you can easily see the similarities. An atom nucleus is got its possession exactly like Sun, like planets, like solar system orbits. Atoms' orbits have electrons. So maybe these all are theoretically correct, but practically we don't have any proof. Exactly like we or anyone don't know about the end of the universe. Do you know?